What if I told you weight loss could be as simple as drinking a smoothie? Let's dive into the smoothie diet. The smoothie diet is creating a buzz in the world of health enthusiasts. It's a revolutionary plan that helps you lose weight fast by incorporating nutrient-packed smoothies into your daily routine. Replace some of your meals with these delicious blends, and watch the magic happen. But how does it work? It's simple. Each smoothie is loaded with essential nutrients designed to keep you full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Imagine having more energy, better digestion, and a balanced lifestyle. That's just a taste of what the smoothie diet offers. Plus, it's super easy to follow, even with a busy schedule. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real people who've transformed their lives with the smoothie diet. Ready to start your journey? Click the link below to get your plan and join thousands who have seen amazing results. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.